Hello, good day and welcome again. This is the Microsoft Word application course, and in this video we will continue with the formatting text and pages. And in this particular video we will be talking about aligning text. Now we already discussed about font level formatting where we change colors and underline and the boldness and the type of way your text look like. Now with aligning text, you're looking more at the positioning of your text within your Word document or page. So you can place your text to be at the left side of your document or at the right side or at the center. Or for a paragraph of text, you can make them in such a way that they are spread out evenly in the page, such that one end of the page looks aligned and the other end as well. This will be focusing more on how you can position text in different ways. So let us pull up the document here, a practice document, and let's see which of the text do we use. So we can pick, for example, this particular text, and to practice how you can align that text. So currently you see that by default in Microsoft Word, texts are aligned on the left, which is on this side. And if you go to your paragraph group, which is under the home menu, here you can see the alignment commands. So the first one is left align, which means because I selected this text, it tells you this is left align. If I also go here, it tells you it's left align. So that's why I said by default Microsoft Word left aligns text. The next one is the center, which means you can bring it to the center of your page. And the other one is right, which is to the right margin, which is somewhere here. And justify is in a way that you can make your document spread out both on the left and right to be equal. We will practice with all this later on. So let's start with this one. So I will select the text, and what I can do is go to home menu, which is where we are already in paragraph. I will choose this drop down arrow. By the way, I can use this directly, but let me go with this one. And under the indent and spacing and under the general section, you can see alignment. So if I click this arrow down, I will see the four of them again. So currently this text is left aligned. So if I want it to be right aligned, to go to the right, I will take right, and then I will see here where it is. If I go back again to the left, see that the text is back again. So in the preview you can see what happens before you click the OK button. So if I go to center, it says it's at center, and if I do justified, well, it goes to the left, and that's because this text is not spread out. It's not a complete line of text to the end. If it's a complete line of text, it will be equally aligned on the left and on the right, just like you see these ones here. So let's pick center and let's click OK, and you see the text is now centered. Now instead of going back to the paragraph to practice others, I can directly use this part. So let's say I use right align and I click it, and you see the text goes right. If I click justified, it goes back to the left because it's not a complete line of text in the whole page. So this is what happens. Now maybe to show you how justified really works, so I will create another set of text, and I will kind of just type anything I want until the end. I will not go all the way to the end. Let's hope that that helps. And I'll click enter, and I will do the same, and I will create another set of text, something like that. By the way, just for practice, huh? And I will do that. Let's say this is, and then what I will do is I will select this text, and you see it's left aligned, and I can center it. You see how it looks like. Can write, this is now justified on the right equally, and if I do justified, what you see is it's justified here and there, and that's also because the next word is not enough to fit in here. But the idea of justify is to stretch the text in such a way that they are equally aligned on both ends, which gives a good look to your document. And that brings us to the end of aligning your text. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video on the next topic of formatting text and pages.